Did you know the average homeowner spends thousands each year on unexpected maintenance and repairs? It's a hidden reality that many are unprepared for. Most people budget for their mortgage, but forget about the hidden costs. Leaky faucets, aging roofs, and broken furnaces. These issues can arise without warning and demand immediate attention. If your home is worth $400,000, you could be spending up to $16,000 a year just on upkeep. That's a significant amount that can strain any budget. That's over $1,300 a month, not including your mortgage or taxes. These costs can quickly add up, creating financial stress. These aren't optional expenses. You can't ignore a broken water heater in winter or a leaking roof. They need to be fixed immediately to avoid further damage. Many homeowners are caught off guard, draining savings or racking up debt to cover these emergencies. It's a cycle that can be hard to break. This is the silent wallet drain. Small issues that add up, eroding your financial foundation. Over time, these minor repairs can become major financial burdens. The real cost of home ownership isn't just the price you paid. It's the ongoing, often invisible expenses. These hidden costs can sneak up on you if you're not prepared. Ignoring them can turn your dream home into a financial nightmare. What starts as a small problem can quickly escalate into a costly repair. The first step to financial security is acknowledging these hidden costs. Awareness is key to managing and mitigating these expenses. You need to plan for them, not just hope they won't happen. Proactive planning can save you from financial stress down the road. Think of it like budgeting for a road trip. You need to account for gas and repairs, not just the car payment. Similarly, home maintenance should be a regular part of your financial planning. Being prepared means you're protecting your biggest asset, your home. Regular maintenance can prevent small issues from becoming big problems. Don't let these costs catch you by surprise. Stay ahead by setting aside a maintenance budget. Start building a plan today to handle the real price of homeownership. A little preparation now can save you a lot of trouble later. Your future self will thank you. By planning ahead, you can enjoy your home without the constant worry of unexpected expenses. The journey to wealth starts with understanding what's really hiding in your walls. Knowledge and preparation are your best tools for a secure financial future. Millionaires don't become wealthy by accident. They plan for every expense, including home repairs. They know that every dollar counts, and that ignoring the small stuff can lead to big problems down the road. It's not just about buying a home, but about managing it wisely, year after year. They treat their home like a business, budgeting for maintenance and unexpected costs. This means setting aside money each month, even when nothing seems urgent, so they're never caught off guard. Ignoring these expenses is a rookie mistake that keeps people stuck financially. When you don't plan, you end up scrambling for cash or relying on credit cards when something breaks. Your home should build your wealth, not drain it. Every repair you anticipate and budget for is an investment in your future security. The wealthy anticipate repairs. They don't hope things won't break. They plan for when they will. They know that appliances wear out, roofs need replacing, and systems need regular care. This mindset shift is crucial. Move from reacting to problems to preparing for them. It's about being proactive, not just reactive, and taking control of your financial future. When you're prepared, you avoid high-interest debt and financial stress. You can handle emergencies with confidence, knowing you have a plan in place. True wealth is about peace of mind, not just money in the bank. It's the freedom to enjoy your home without constant worry about what might go wrong next. By planning for hidden costs, you create a stable environment for your family and your finances. This stability lets you focus on what matters most, making memories, not stressing over bills. The difference between struggling homeowners and wealthy ones is foresight. Wealthy homeowners look ahead, while others are always playing catch-up. Automate savings for repairs, just like you would for retirement. Make it a habit, so you're always ready for the unexpected. This proactive approach puts you in control of your financial destiny. You're not just hoping for the best, you're actively building a secure future. Don't let surprise expenses derail your goals. A single major repair can set you back years if you're not prepared. Adopt the millionaire mindset. Expect the unexpected and plan for it. Make home maintenance a regular part of your financial routine. Your home is your headquarters. Run it like a smart CEO. Track expenses, schedule repairs, and keep your finances organized. Build wealth by being ready, not by hoping for the best. Preparation is the foundation of lasting financial success. That's the real secret to financial freedom as a homeowner. Being prepared, staying ahead, and letting your home work for you, not against you. Routine maintenance is the hidden cost that saves you thousands in the long run. Skipping small tasks, like cleaning gutters or servicing your HVAC, can lead to massive, expensive problems. A $200 gutter cleaning can prevent a $10,000 water damage repair. Annual HVAC service keeps your system running and avoids costly breakdowns. The good news? These costs are predictable, so you can budget for them. Set up a home maintenance fund and contribute monthly. Create a calendar for tasks. Media Group, printed home maintenance calendar on wall, close-up of checklist with gutter cleaning and HVAC tasks checked off a stock so distribute equally. Gutter cleaning, HVAC checks, seasonal inspections. Proactive maintenance protects your investment and keeps your home's value high. Don't wait for a crisis. Manage your home's health like a pro. A well-maintained home costs less and sells for more. Turn maintenance from a burden into a wealth-building tool. Smart homeowners plan ahead and save big. Utility bills are more unpredictable than you think. Seasonal spikes in heating and cooling can add hundreds to your monthly expenses. Older homes with poor insulation leak money through drafty windows and inefficient systems. Many new homeowners are shocked when their utility bills double or triple. Don't forget about trash, recycling, sewer fees, and HOA dues. These add up fast. The key is to get real numbers. Ask for a year's worth of utility bills before you buy. Once you move in, improve efficiency. Seal drafts, add insulation, upgrade thermostats. Small investments can slash your monthly bills and boost your savings. Factor all utilities and fees into your budget, not just the basics. Being proactive with energy efficiency pays off year after year. Don't let hidden utility costs drain your finances. Take control, save money, and invest the difference. Your wallet and your future will thank you. Homeowners insurance is required, but it doesn't cover everything. Standard policies often exclude floods, earthquakes, and sewer backups. Many discover these gaps too late, after disaster strikes. Review your policy annually and ask what's not covered. Consider extra coverage if you're at risk for floods or have valuable items. Know your deductible and have that amount saved. Don't let insurance surprises ruin your finances. Make your policy a true safety net, not a false sense of security. Take control by becoming a detective in your own home. Do a home audit twice a year. Look for leaks, cracks, and signs of trouble. Track the age of appliances and systems so you can plan for replacements. Keep a home binder or digital folder with receipts, warranties, and maintenance records. This organization pays off when you sell and helps you stay on top of repairs. Learn basic DIY for small fixes, but know when to call a pro for big jobs. Don't risk bigger problems by tackling repairs beyond your skill level. Staying organized and proactive saves money and stress. Small habits add up to big savings. Be the manager your home deserves. The real danger isn't one big repair. It's the compounding effect of many small, unplanned expenses. Every unexpected $1,000 spent on repairs is $1,000 not invested for your future. Over time, these missed opportunities can cost you tens of thousands in lost growth. Imagine a $5,000 repair today could have grown to $50,000 in 30 years if invested. Repeated surprises drag down your financial progress like a backpack full of rocks. The solution? Set up an automatic homeowners fund. Transfer money monthly so you're ready for repairs without touching your investments. This buffer keeps your wealth building on track. Don't let small leaks sink your financial ship. Anticipate, save, and protect your future. The difference between crisis and confidence is a plan. Make your home an asset, not a liability. That's the secret to long-term wealth. Your home should be your sanctuary, a place where you feel safe, comfortable, and truly at ease, not a source of constant stress or worry. But for many homeowners, hidden costs and unexpected repairs can quickly turn a dream home into a financial prison, trapping you in a cycle of anxiety and uncertainty. The key to breaking free is shifting from a reactive mindset, always scrambling to fix problems, to a proactive approach that puts you in control. Instead of seeing repairs as bad luck or setbacks, start viewing them as a normal, expected part of homeownership, something you can plan for and manage. Take charge by creating a realistic budget that includes not just your mortgage, but all the ongoing costs, maintenance, repairs, insurance, and even those little upgrades that make your house a home. Make it a habit to save at least 1% of your home's value each year for maintenance. This simple step can help you avoid being blindsided by big expenses. Automate your savings so you're always prepared and you won't have to scramble when something needs fixing. Knowledge is power. Take time to learn about your home's systems, warranties, and insurance policies. The more you know, the more confident you'll feel. The more you understand, the less you'll fear unexpected surprises, and the more empowered you'll be to handle them. Remember, your home is a powerful tool for building wealth and stability, not a trap that drains your resources. Manage it wisely, protect it from financial shocks, and always have a plan for the unexpected. Think of yourself as the CEO of your household, making smart decisions, planning ahead, and leading your family to financial security. With a solid plan, your home truly becomes your fortress, a place of safety, comfort, and pride. Build the life you want. Don't let hidden costs or fear of the unknown hold you back from enjoying your home to the fullest. Take control and turn your home into a source of security, happiness, and lasting joy for you and your loved ones. That's the real power of smart home ownership: peace of mind, financial freedom, and a place you're truly proud to call your own. We've uncovered the real costs of homeownership: maintenance, utilities, insurance gaps, and the compounding effect on your wealth. The lesson is simple. Budget for the total cost, not just the mortgage. Set up a dedicated savings fund and automate your contributions. Review your expenses and insurance regularly. Share your experiences and tips in the comments. Let's learn together. The more we share, the smarter we all become as homeowners. Keep learning about personal finance and home maintenance. Small, consistent steps lead to big results. Your home can be a source of joy and wealth, not stress, if you plan ahead. Start today and build the future you deserve.